Hello from Donainsel Lobau, FKK Nudist beach area. So I am now actually on the other side of this river, Donau, as I visited the FKK beach on the other side, but this is a huge FKK beach area, and I am now on the other side, and there is basically nobody here because unfortunately there has been massive floods in Vienna, Austria, as well as some of the other Central European countries, and that has left its mark, that they have put a lot of extra material here to prevent flooding the rest of the nature and the inhabited areas. So yeah, that's why it is that it looks like this, but I'm assuming on a perfect summer day when there is no floods it looks quite good. And I see also some nudists taking a swim also now on the other side of the river where I took a swim earlier on the exact spot. And we have also a very interesting bridge that I have passed to get here, and that bridge is it's called Valuriosbrücke, indeed. Valuriosbrücke, indeed. And now actually I'm on an island actually that actually is between the river Danube, the main one, and then this one over here that then goes and flows into the main one. And this hole over here is yes, so this one over here is Donainsel, as it's called, as it's an island. And yes, then that means that we are ready to take a swim on this 29th of September 2024. That's also an election day here in Austria. So, and this is my fourth beach adventure for today, and it is 1 p.m. exactly. So let's see if I'm gonna do some more beach adventures or I will focus on the city itself. But yeah, beach adventures with Chris, the fourth nudist beach for today from Vienna, Austria, I am showing you, and not so much pleasant to see, at least. But let's then dive in and swim in the river Danube. Yes, I really wonder how this is during the hot summer months, if it has a lot of people here, but right now it is quite empty. Oh, and this looks like quite the quicksand indeed. Let's see if I will be able to make it back to my backpack later. They had also like a nice jetty, but that was actually, there was a sign that entry is forbidden. I'm not sure why, because you can then swim here instead. So anyway, so this is basically mud inside, quite a lot more than on the other side. So let's see, I hope I won't get stuck in the river forever. But yeah, this is how it looks like, and this is how the beach looks like the entry to the beach. Not the best there is, to be fair, but it is fine for a quick swim here in the river Donau. So let's go. I really needed to jump in as it was very muddy where I was standing. So yes, another swim in river Donau, and yes, Donainsel Lobau nudist beach area, FKK as they call it in German. Freikopfkultur, free body culture, very popular among Austrians and Germans in general. And now the wind is blowing like crazy as I'm swimming against the stream here of the river, but it's quite convenient indeed. Alright, so that was another episode from Vienna, Austria. Another beach adventure from another FKK nudist beach here on this 29th of September 2024. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me. So, and I'm gonna see you soon again then with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.